Alright guys, new video. This video is about Fibonacci extension. The first video was about Fibonacci retracement. That one is about Fibonacci extension. Okay, Fibonacci extension is the direct opposite of Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement was a tool used to measure the counter trend after the trend move, after the push, the first push, the big move. But Fibonacci extension, on the other hand, is to measure like how long the next push, the next move, the next big move gonna be. But we use, contrary to Fibonacci retracement, which is a two-time move, Fibonacci extension is a three-push move. We use, like, for the Fibonacci retracement, we use point A, point B, right there, just to get point C, which is the 38.2 retracement right there. But in Fibonacci extension, we don't look for A, B, we don't look for the C move. We look where the D move gonna complete it. But with Fibonacci extension, we use it like this. We go in this category, we look for Fibonacci extension, and then the way we use it is, first of all, to use Fibonacci, it's like this. Let me show you. Point A, point B, back to point C to determine D. We're gonna be down there for the downtrend, and for uptrend we go like A, point B, and down to point C to determine like this part of the move. And okay, let's get going. First of all, to use Fibonacci extension, the first thing we have to do is use our Fibonacci retracement tool. We use the Fibonacci retracement tool and let's say for this mode, point A to point B, which is down there, point B. Boom. The retracement was 38.2. Now we get our Fibonacci extension tool, which is there. We go like from point A down to point B and back up to point C at the 38.2 mark. 38.2. And when the market reaches at 38.2, the point D gonna be at 261.8%. It's gonna be like if you enter right here, your take profit gonna be for long-term trading right there at 261.8%, which is, if I count the pip range of this whole move, price range from 38.2 right there, you're to 261.8, which is a 419 pip move. Like if you wanna swing trade it, if you have the patience to wait, 400 with one lot, that's a $4,000 trade right there, just by knowing your Fib extension tool. Like I said, Fib extension tool for a downtrend is point A to point B, back to point C. It's a tool you have to use the Fibonacci retracement with the Fibonacci extension tool in order to determine your D point, which is the A, B, C, and back to D, and so on. For example, for this little move right there, okay, let's do it for this move right there. Point A, you use a Fibonacci first. Point A to B. 38.2 retracement. You know 38.2 retracement is 61.8. So you get your 261.8 for the extension tool. So you get your extension tool, point A, right there, to point B, which is right there, back to C, which is 38.2. Extension to 61.8. The market fell to to reach the extension, but it's still not too late. It can reach it anytime. And that's why, guys, I prepare some notes for you for based off the Fibonacci retracement video I did about the PRZ levels. For example, these are the Fibonacci retracement PRZ level, like at 23.6, what's gonna happen, 28.2, what's gonna happen, 50%, and so on. And this is the ratio for the Fib extension tool, like the one I just told you about, like 38.2 to 61.8. Sorry about that. Come on. Okay, 38.2 to 61.8, 50%, 200%, 61.8, 161.8, 78.6, 127, 88.6, 113. Let me show you how. Let's say you get your Fibonacci retracement point A to point B, and let's say the market reaches at right there 88.6, and you know 88.6 is 113. So you get your extension tool. You go like point A to B, back to 88.6, and your take profit will be at 113%, which is right there. You see, you got a confluence right there with minus 27. So take profit will be right there. Right there, 113% right there. And let's say the market had a 61.8 retracement, so you'll get your extension tool and put to 61.8 right there. Take profit will be 161.8. So 161.8 right there will be our take profit. So it will be a freaking 125 pip move. With one lot, that's 1,200 something dollars, and so on. 50% is 200%. 50%, 200%. Take profit will be right there. 38.2, same thing. Take profit will be, you already know, 261.8, all the way down there. All the way down there. So you can take profit early if you want to, but that's it. And that's about it for this video, guys. See you guys in the next one.